Good morning, my dear friends, well-wishers, viewers. Hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. So, before going to our class, wish you a happy new year 2021. So, this is a video which is meant and dedicated for the year 2021 with the various mathematical observations. So, let us switch on to the video session now. So, here it is a topic related to about 2021, the year 2021. So first, obviously 2021, the units place is 1, it is an odd number. Okay. Next, divisors. The divisors for 2021 are 1, 43, 47 and 2021. Nothing but 4 divisors for 2021, nothing but the factors. Next, second observation, the prime factoration. If you observe carefully, the factors are 43 and 47. Hence, the prime factoration of 2021 will be 43 into 47. Next, we have to go for number of divisors. So 1, 43, 47 and 2021. Obviously there are 4 divisors. In the number theory, elementary number theory, the representation for number of divisors is 2 of n. Okay, the Greek letter 2 of n. Next, sum of the divisors. So if you go on add 1, 43, 47 and 2021, you are going to get the sum of the divisors as 211 to 2112. It is denoted by sigma of n. Okay, the sum of the divisors. Sigma is a Greek letter here. There is specific formula in the number theory. Next, product of divisors. If you go on multiply the divisors, whatever you got, 1 into 43 into 47 into 2021, you are going to get the product of divisors as 2021 the whole square. Nothing but 2021 into 2021. It is represented as n power 2 of n by 2. This is a formula for product of divisors. So first you have to determine 2 of n. So then to determine product of divisors, n power 2 of n by 2. So these 3 are the representation for number of divisors, sum of the divisors and product of the divisors of the natural number n greater than or equal to 2. So here number of divisors, product of divisors and sum of the divisors. So these 3 comes under elementary number theory. There is some derivation for the formulas. Okay, we can establish the number of divisors, sum of the divisors and product of the divisors. Next, is it a prime number? No, because the number of divisors are 4, hence it is not a prime number. Next, so obviously the immediate question occurs here itself, nothing but previous prime. What is the previous prime for 2021? It is nothing but 2017. 2017 is the previous prime for 2021. Next prime 2027 and the next year is 2020. The previous year is 2020. Here by observing next prime 2027 seems to be a composite number, but it is a prime which falls after 6 years of 2021. Next, so we completed here up to here 9 important different observations regarding 2021. Next, Roman numeral. So this is the 10th one. So what is the Roman numeral corresponding to 2021? MMXX1 is nothing but Roman numeral for 2021. So in this way, various different observations we can go through it. Here you can motivate the 5th, 6th, 7th children. Here you can motivate right from the 6th to 8th, 9th, even 10th standard students about the number 2021, our present year. Later, the scientific notation. What is our scientific notation for 2021? 2.021 into 10 cube. Okay, so 2.021 into 10 cube, 10 power 3, nothing but the scientific notation for 2021, which you learned in the NCERT and the various boards of 8th standard in exponents and powers. Next, binary system, binary representation. Okay, so you should able to know the binary representation, binary system. So the computer language takes only 2 digits, they are 1 and 2, they are called binary digits. So for 2021, the binary representation is nothing but 111, 111, 00, 101 with respect to the base 2. So for the binary system, the base is nothing but 2. Okay, since it takes only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So this plays important role for the engineering sector students also for various competitive examinations. Okay, conversion of decimal to binary and vice versa. It's very easy concept also. It plays crucial role for BTech level students and various Olympiads and competitive examinations. Okay, next, sum of the proper divisors. So what do you mean by proper divisors? Except the number itself, the remaining divisors are treated as the proper divisors. So for 2021, here you can find 1, 43 and 47 are the proper divisors. There, what is their sum now? Sum of proper divisors is nothing but if you go on add 1, 47 and 43, you are going to get 91. So the definition of proper divisors is nothing but except the given number, remaining factors of the given number is treated as proper divisors. So this comes under 13th observation. Next, is it a palindrome? So what is it by palindrome? If you reverse the digits front and back, you should get the same. So 2021, if you reverse 1202, you are not going to get the same digits. Hence, it is not a palindrome. So you know very well palindrome, Malayalam. Okay, it is a palindrome. Madam, MADAM, front and back, you are going to get the same letters. Okay, in the same way, it is applicable for numericals also. The palindrome, very important concept. Next, square of 2021. 2021 square, you are going to get 408,441 is the square of 2021. Next, square root of 2021 is nothing but approximately 44.95. Some digits you are going to get. So these are the various different observations regarding 2021. Once again, we will go through it. Okay, about 2021, because we are stepping into the new year, various different observations related to mathematics which plays important role for various competitive examinations. It is mandatory for each and every child, right from the 5th to the various competitive aspirants, it is needed. So now divisors. About 2021, divisors, nothing but factors. There are 4 factors. Okay, 1, 43, 47, 2021. Prime factoration, obviously 43 and 47 are prime numbers. So 43 into 47. So number of divisors are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. If you go and add 1, 43, 47, 2021, you are going to get the sum of the divisors. Next, product of the divisors, if you multiply, you are going to get this one. Next, is it a prime number? So this plays important role. Prime number, it is not a prime, it is a composite number because there exist more than 2 divisors. So hence it is not a prime number. Next, previous prime for 2021, nothing but the previous prime number year is 2017. Next prime number is nothing but 2020. 27, which falls after 2021. So it looks like a composite number, but it is a prime. Next, previous year for 2021, obviously 2020. So like this, you can go for the various prime deductions. Next, numerical is Roman numerical here, MMXX here 1, nothing but Roman numerical. You can motivate your 56th child, this one and some of the parts of this. Next, scientific notation plays crucial role for the 8th class students, and even this type of notations you will get in engineering sector and intermediate with respect to the powers of 10. Hence, scientific notation also plays important role here. Next, binary system 111, 111, 00, 101 with respect to the base 2. Okay, since it takes the computer system takes only the 2 digit 0 and 1, hence with respect to base 2 it is being treated. Next, some of the proper divisors, except 2021 you have to add all the divisors, you are going to get 91. They are said to be proper divisors. Next, it is not a palindrome, because if you reverse the digits you are not going to get again 2021, hence it is not a palindrome. Next, 2021 square you are going to get 408441. Next, square root of 2021 you are going to get 44.95 approximately. So these are the various different observations regarding 2021. There will be many observations, but main things have been pointed out basically for all levels of students, right from 5th to the total end of your studies. So I hope that this gives you a motivation regarding 2021. It's very important observation. You are going to get various bits, various questions right from this number 2021, not only in the competitive examinations, at the same time for the boards and the various annual examinations. Okay, so 2019 and 2020 we know very well, total universe has been suffered with COVID-19 virus. I hope that this will be eradicated, this will be vanished in the 2021 totally along with the vaccination, and hope that at the same time physical classes, nothing but offline classes also will be started, we are expecting. Okay, so once again farewell to 2020, and hopefully with various colors and brightness, with various enthusiasms, we have to step into the year 2021. I wish you a happy new year 2021 with various challenges, deductions, observations regarding mathematics and every field of science, maths, etc. So once you have the look, so you can list out all the different observations regarding 2021. So in this way various observations have been deducted regarding 2021. I hope that you like the video because it is related to our new year 2021. After watching the video, please like and share to your near and dear and comment. At the same time, please follow the community tab in my channel, SS Square Maths YouTube channel, so that you are going to get the updates. Finally, go through playlist. Each and every video has its own importance. Share to your near and dear, like, comment our SS Square Maths YouTube channel. Signing out, this is your Santosh.